Oh, it's on?
Yes.
Okay, so hey, so what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Roxel Vlogs, another episode of Roxel Vlogs. I hope you guys are doing well, you guys are safe. So guys, today is 14th of May, which is Eid, so I want to wish all of you from the bottom of my heart Eid Mubarak to you and your families. Eid ki बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं guys. And sorry I'm uploading this video a bit late because for obvious reasons I can't edit the vlogs on time, the videos on time properly. So bear with me guys, and thank you for supporting me. We have reached 200 subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing, those who have subscribed. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe and like my videos and share and comment. It really helps me a lot guys. Today's video is going to be an Eid special video, as you all know, and I hope I'm looking great in this attire. Actually this is borrowed from my dad. So guys, today we all know, today is Eid, so I wanted to have something from outside on the special occasion of Eid. And today I bought this baklavas from the baklava box, which is in Zomato. And guys, surprisingly, I was really totally surprised that it's a confectionery which is totally dedicated to baklava. And guys, if you don't know what is baklava, baklava is actually a dessert which is mainly found in the Middle Eastern countries, which is originated from basically from Turkey. So the baklava is actually a layered pastry where they stuff with different kinds of nuts and dry fruits as well, and it's dipped in honey or sugar syrup and it's served. It's totally delicious guys. The last time I had baklava was in Israel, when I went to Israel and Jordan as well with my family. And another time I had was when my dad used to bring baklavas from Dubai airport, from Dubai duty free, which was really delicious. So I'm gonna review this guys and see how it is compared to what I had from that place. So I'm gonna review it. So without any further ado, let's start with the unboxing. So it came up with in this box guys, as you can see. Looks really great. The box is looks really good guys, and this is the bag which they also gave, the baklava box. So yes guys, I'm gonna open it. Smells really good and tasty guys, look at it. I've actually ordered 4 pieces. So guys, I have got it on a plate, as you can see. Just check out the baklavas. Looks really great. So guys, actually I've got 4 pieces of baklava, which actually costed me about 225 rupees from Zomato. So guys, actually the baklava box is actually situated in Kapugachi, and I stay in Damnam Cantonment guys, and they have delivered it to me from so far, which is really good service, and thanks to Zomato as well. And another thing guys, this video is not totally sponsored by baklava box or Zomato. This is my sole review. So guys, I've got 4 baklavas here, as you can see. So one of them is the pistachio square guys. This one is the pistachio square, you can see. So this one, as the description says guys, I'm just looking at the description. Made using high quality pistachio, honey syrup and grade of clarified butter, this rich dessert is sure to leave your sweet cravings fully satisfied. Okay, so I'm gonna taste this guys and let you know how it tastes. So cheers. Not bad at all. Tastes really good guys. I can have the flavor of the butter and the crispy pistachio goes right with that, and the honey. So guys, for the pistachio square, it really tastes good. So I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10. It's really good guys. And for now, I'll be trying the mixed tart baklava. As you can see, it's kind of a tart and has the baklava filling in it. It looks great. So the content in it is high quality of pistachio, cashew and almond nuts resting on layers of phyllo dough shaped like a tart. So it's a phyllo dough, guys. They have a mixture of all the nuts, almond, cashew and pistachio here as well. It smells good. Let's try. Just look at it, guys. The syrup inside it. So guys, this one is also good and I like it more than the pistachio one, so I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10, which is really good. The amazing fact is that, guys, it's not that sweet. Like when you have it and it's like too sweet for you, and it's perfectly sweetened and perfectly, baked as well. So now, guys, I'm gonna try the cashew square. The other one was the pistachio one and this is the cashew one. Let's look at the cashew inside. So here it is said mixed using 80% high quality cashew, honey syrup again, and an A grade clarified butter. This rich dessert is sure to leave your sweet and cravings fully satisfied. Okay, let's try. Cheers, guys. Like, guys, the fact is it's from a confectionery here in Kolkata. It's really good. Like, the texture of the baklava and everything is fantastic. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. It's really good, guys. So guys, last but not the least, I'm gonna try the pyramid baklava. As you can see, it's shaped as a pyramid and there's a filling of the baklava on top, which is kind of innovative. Looks great as well. Let's try this, guys. I want to have another bite. What more I can say? It's also with pistachio, cashew nested inside a bowl of secret layer phyllo dough and baked to perfection. Yes, it is perfect, guys. So guys, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 to the pyramid baklava. Like, it really tastes good and it doesn't have that much of sweetness. It has the proper amount with the butter and the honey. It goes really great, and the crispiness of the pastry. It's fantastic, guys. I didn't expect this much from such shop here in Kolkata, and it really tastes good. I'm really satisfied. So guys, I will totally recommend you to go and try out this baklavas from there. The baklava box, it's in Kakugachi. You can Zomato it or Swiggy it. They are available there as well, and it will really make your Eid more special with such sweetness in this occasion. So yes, guys, this is it. I hope you like the vlog. I hope you like the review of the baklavas. And yes, guys, I would really recommend you to go and try them out. It is really great. It is really fantastic and a bit expensive as well, but I would say it's really good. So you can try them. They also sell it at a quantity wise. Like, I bought 1 pieces each, and they also sell it in a quantity wise, which is a bit costly, which costs about 1300 to 1400. and here per piece costs about 50 to 60 rupees. So yes guys, I would totally recommend you this baklava box. Go try it out. You can order it from Zomato and Swiggy as well. So yes guys, this is it. I hope you liked the review, and guys, make sure to like it if you like it, and dislike it if you don't like it, that's also fine. Make sure to subscribe and share as well, and comment down below how was the video. It would mean a lot and help me as well to build my channel. So yes guys, this is it. I'll be seeing you in the next one guys. Till then, hustle, grind and roast guys, and once again Eid Mubarak to you and your families guys. Stay safe. Bye bye.